part 2. If you have not seen part 1, go ahead and watch how I got this pretty copper color. But today we are going to be styling it. I'm just gonna blow dry it. So let's get started, because as you can see, it's gonna take a little while. So I'm gonna just put it in 4 sections, which I really don't need a comb for that. I do have this bio oil. This BioSilk. I only have a little bit left, so I'm gonna save that for when I flat iron my hair. But I bought this little chi. I used this a long time ago, but I don't remember if it's good, how good it is. But I bought this heat protecting spray. I always use this. I have this bottle too, but it's only a little bit, so I need to re-up because I use a lot of this, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I'm gonna put this first, like a little dab on each section, and then go ahead and spray the whatever that shit is called, which I feel like this and BioSilk is probably equivalent. The blow dryer I'm going to be using is the Revlon. I don't know what it's called, but it's made by Revlon. I got this at Ulta, probably like $60. Alright, so this is the blow dried finish, and I'm actually really liking it. It's looking real cute and different. Like, I never had my hair this color before. This is the bag. This is the blow dry finish, and I'm gonna flat iron it later because I'm using the Baybliss Pro Prima 3000. I got this from Ulta as well.